Okay, good day, guys. I want this to be a very short video, so I just want to put us through on how to probably solve this second task for VI. Okay, now this is my terminal. That now, what we're supposed to do here is, according to the instruction, so what is the command to delete and cut the current line for VI? Now, you're supposed to create a file, then put the answer inside this file. Inside this file. Okay, now there are two ways to do this. Now the first way is to follow this path. This is a file path. Follow this path. According to the hierarchy. Then the second way is to just copy it this way from the root directory. Now let's try this. Now I've always said this, in programming you don't need to memorize, you just need to understand the question. Now the answer to this is DD, but let's just Google search to be sure. To be sure, once you don't remember anything, you can always go online. There are unlimited resources online. Let me just specify here. Okay. So as you can see, this is the answer, DD. So now let's go back to our internet page. Now this is my terminal. Now as you can see, let me maximize this so we can actually see. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Now as you can see, I'm in my root directory. So there are two ways to do this. I can either create the file from the root terminal, or I can go into the VI directory, then create the file separately. So this is the first way. This is the first method. I can decide to copy this path directly like this, the way it was given here. I'll copy it here, go to my terminal, then write VI. I want to create it with VI. That's the instruction. They meant to create it with VI. Then paste the path here, then enter. As you can see, I'm inside the file already. So now, as you can see, we are currently in the command mode. So to enter the editing mode, just press high on your keyboard. Then this will change, as you can see, insert. So all I need to do is just type in the response, the answer to that question, which is DD. Then I'm done. That's all I need to do. Then I'll now press escape on the keyboard to go back to command mode. As you can see, then I will now save and exit. This is the command for save and exit. Look down here, guys. Down here, exclamation mark, semicolon, WQ, then exclamation mark. So once I do that, I hit enter. I'm back to my root directory, as you can see here. So now let's go and check if we actually did the right thing. That's all we need to do. That's all we're supposed to do. So let's check. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. I don't know why. As you can see, everything checked. So that is the first method. Now the second method is, you might not want to copy it directly from here. You might want to follow the hierarchy this way. Now looking at it, let's go back to intranet now. What this part is saying is that write the file into this file. The file name should be cutting, but note that the file should be inside the root directory and inside this 0x0 underscore vi directory. That's the hierarchy. That means there will be a directory named 0x03 underscore vi inside root directory. Then we'll now create this cutting file inside this 0x03 underscore vi directory. That's what it means. So if you want to go by the hierarchy, what you're supposed to do is, okay, as you can see, I'm already inside my root directory. So before I can create the file separately, I will now go into this directory. This, as you can see, this directory, it's been created in the previous task. So all I need to do is just to go into the directory. As you can see. So now let's check if what I did previously is actually okay, because this file is meant to be inside this directory. As you can see now. Now let me do this ls to check the files inside. Can you see now? This for the first task, inserting. Now this for the second task I just did now, cutting. So you can either do it this way or you do it from the root directory. So if let's assume I want to create another file into this directory. So all I need to do is, I don't need to copy that part. I can't copy that part because I'm already inside this directory. So all I need to do is just do vi, then the file name. Let's assume it's pasting. So all I need to do is just type pasting here, then I hit enter. So I hope this is clear enough and very straightforward. Okay, let me delete this. I think I'm done. So that's how you can actually solve the task.